Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you are fine. So in today's lecture we are going to discuss about the first example of biological method. Now you are going to see that how we can solve the biological problem using or the steps included in biological method. Solving a biological problem. So our problem is, what is the cause of malaria? 19th century observation. Now अब आपको पता है कि जब हमारे पास कोई प्रॉब्लम है, what was the first step in solving a biological problem? It was observation. So here are the major 4 observation which were included about malaria. जो हमने पहले प्रोसीजर पढ़ा था उसमें से ही हमने कुछ ऑब्जर्वेशंस की थी, उनको हमने कंक्लूड करके 4 मेजर ऑब्जर्वेशंस बनाई, जिसमें से फर्स्ट है मलेरिया एंड मार्शी एरियाज हैव सम रिलेशन. सेकेंड इज क्यूनीन इज एन इफेक्टिव ड्रग फॉर ट्रीटिंग मलेरिया. थर्ड, ड्रिंकिंग द वाटर ऑफ मार्शेज डज नॉट कॉज मलेरिया. फोर्थ, प्लाज्मोडियम इज सीन इन द ब्लड ऑफ मलेरियल पेशेंट्स. ठीक है, ये 4 ऑब्जर्वेशंस है जो हमने अपने पूरे प्रोसीजर में ऑब्जर्व की थी. Now hypothesis. The hypothesis made in this case was Plasmodium is the cause of malaria. Now through our observation we are making a tentative explanation which is Plasmodium is the cause of malaria. Now deductions. अब हमने deductions में ये पढ़ा था कि we use the logic of if and then. इसका मतलब ये है कि हम हाइपोथेसिस को ट्रू कंसीडर कर लेते हैं कि हाइपोथेसिस जो हमने दिया है वो ट्रू है, एंड इफ़ इट इज़ ट्रू नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डिडक्ट फ्रॉम इट. अब हम उसमें से डिडक्ट कर रहे हैं कि अगर वो ट्रू है तो ये पॉसिबिलिटीज़ हो सकती हैं. ठीक है, अब उन्होंने हमें इसमें क्या कहा, इफ़ प्लाज्मोडियम इज़ द कॉज ऑफ मलेरिया देन ऑल पर्सन इल विद मलेरिया शुड हैव प्लाज्मोडियम इन देयर ब्लड. कि अगर प्लाज्मोडियम ही कॉज है मलेरिया की तो वो सारे पर्सन जो कि मलेरिया से डायग्नोज हुए, मलेरिया उनको डायग्नोज हुआ है, दे आर इल विद मलेरिया, दे शुड हैव प्लाज्मोडियम इन देयर ब्लड. नाउ एक्सपेरिमेंट. और नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज एक्सपेरिमेंट. In this experiment of this case they took 100 malarial patient and 100 healthy persons. अब उन्होंने हेल्दी पर्सन को क्यों लिया? हमने अपने स्टेप में पढ़ा था बायोलॉजिकल मेथड में कि वी टेक 2 ग्रुप्स, वन इज़ कंट्रोल ग्रुप एंड अदर इज़ एक्सपेरिमेंटल ग्रुप. ओके, इन कंट्रोल ग्रुप we take control group for comparing, we do not do any experiment in control group. So same in this case we are taking 100 healthy person, so or 100 healthy person are the control group. So we observe from our experiment that 100 healthy persons having, okay, so we observe from our experiment that 100 malarial patients, 100 by 100 having plasmodium in their blood, and in healthy persons 7% from 100 having plasmodium in their blood. Now you must be considering why the healthy person are having why the 7 healthy person having plasmodium. Actually it is in incubation period. It means that incubation period अब क्या होता है कि the period between the entry of parasite in host and the appearance of symptom. अभी वो अपनी inactive form में होता है, अभी वो incubation period में होता है host के अंदर. It is not appearing its symptoms because it is in inactive form. जब वो अपने symptoms appear करेगा then जो है वो symptoms भी occur होंगे उसके. Now results. The results were quite convincing and proved that the hypothesis is true, which is Plasmodium is the cause of malaria. This hypothesis was true. So basically if we conclude malaria has killed more than people, more than any disease, the account of malaria is an example of biological problem of how such problems are solved. So now you can make some observations or you can observe around yourself that these are the steps which we can also include in the corona situation, that we are also struggling in these days, and this problem is also causing so many death. same in the case of malaria. It was also a disease in ancient time which was very dangerous, considered very dangerous, but nowadays we know its treatment and it can be easily cured. So this was the biological problem which we have discussed, and now you should know that how the steps are involved in solving a biological problem. Thank you, class.